Welcome to 537 Riverside Drive in Auburn, Maine. This beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bath home sits right across from the Androscoggin River. Close to town, you can find many restaurants, other sites, and fun things to do, as well as many amenities and facilities. The kitchen area allows plenty of room for cooking, a table and chairs, plenty of sunlight, as well as some cool built-in shelving around the kitchen sink. Heading upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and a sitting area in the hallway. My favorite part is this beautiful front sunroom set across the road from the river. You can sip your morning coffee and watch the eagles fly overhead. So come on down and check out this beautiful property.